Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Apple ID and payment method are ready. This avoids interruptions during buying. Once done, update iOS and the iTunes Store app so purchases and DRM work correctly. Now open the iTunes Store app and tap Account to sign in or confirm credentials. Use Face ID or your password when prompted. This first step connects your device to Apple's purchase system and ensures receipts, downloads, and licenses link to the correct account. You now find content. Type precise titles or artist names into search and switch filters to narrow results to music, movies, or podcasts. Tap a result to see price, file size, and compatibility. Preview clips to confirm it's the right version. When ready, tap Buy and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. This protects purchases. If you have a gift card or code, redeem from Account Redeem. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi for large downloads to save mobile data. Once you buy something, downloads start automatically. Open Downloads or Purchase to monitor progress and tap a stalled item to pause or retry. To move content between devices, use Restore Purchases under Account. For recurring charges, manage subscriptions in Settings your name Subscriptions. If a purchase fails, sign out and back in, confirm your payment method, and retry. These steps clear common authentication or billing errors. If issues persist, contact Apple support with your receipt for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.